Hope you're having a great day. Today I am going to be doing a video on how to remove these fur covers. These right here. Why would I want to replace my covers or remove them? Well, they look hideous. I don't like these covers. I want to put these gaiters instead. So as you can see, I have my bike here and this is out. So in order to remove the covers, first things first, bolt that holds this. It's actually a end cap. Remove the bolt, the Allen bolt that is right here. There's another two bolts that were holding these two on. This, it was a 10 millimeter. That little one was an 8 millimeter. I have no idea why they have two different sizes, but they do. This is called a pincher. I guess it pinches the shaft. So they're still loose right here, so I don't lose them. I'm gonna put them back in. And you want to remove the shaft. The shaft comes off. So I grab my punch. I got a couple punches, couple styles. I don't think it matters on what you use, as long as you're not beating on your threads. So we're trying to hit this guy and bring it out. Just hit my freaking phone. That's not working, and I feel like I damaged threads. Yeah, so you gotta be very careful when you're punching this out because it feels a little rough now when I put this bolt in, but I'm cleaning the threads up a bit. You just gotta work it in, work it out. Alright, so I'm using this square end punch. It's a flat punch. And I'm going in a circle with my rubber mallet, being very careful, tapping it out. It's almost out. Out. It can come out. Here it is. Forks out. And now, place that there. Oh, don't. Alright, I forgot there's oil in it. Fuck, idiot. Will it go through? Nah. Gotta be careful, man. Oh shit, this goes through. Oh, stained the floor. Just got it done last year. Alright. Let's zoom out a bit. There's oil on my phone now. But this should come out. Oh. is out. We out. Oh shit. Screw that thing. Ooh, that doesn't look very good. Do the right thing or leave it alone. I don't have anything with me to save this. Much better. I'll let that go. Much better than what it was. Now, the gaitors. These bad boys. I don't want to put them on wrong. Which way do they go? I'm gonna check on the small part faces up and the fat part faces down. That's what it looks like. It's gonna look sick. Alright, so here they are. I'm gonna slip it in. I'm doing this with one hand. I'm actually sort of rushing it because I have to go to sleep now. I was putting together that light. It took me a long time to put together. I will show you what that looks like. Pretty cool. It's a 7-inch light. Kind of looks huge. Alright guys, there you have it. Gaitors are in. Appreciate you guys for watching this video. So I want to give a shout out to a couple guys in this Honda Shadow Phantom group because there was not a video that explained the process. The people that I want to give a shout out to, I have to find mine. See, this is me, my bike. Let me see where it is. Yeah, this is the post. How to remove the covers. So Joshua Thompson and Leo, here let me go. All comments. Leo Castillo first commented and he said the wheel has to come out. Leo, thank you very much, Leo. Muchas gracias, Leo. No sé si eres de España, if you're from Spain. And I want to give thanks to Joshua Thompson. Jack, he says, Jack at least the front end of the bike up, disconnect front brake line, loosen the clamps for the forks, remove fork completely, and the cover should unbolt and slide out right out.